A new morning, a new smoothie. The recipe for today is a delicious green one. Follow up. Cucumber, green apple, lemon, ginger and parsley. Together they will energize you like nothing else. After cutting the lemon, squeeze it. Throw the seeds, but keep the pulp. Slice the ginger. Now the cucumber. Keep the leaves from parsley and cut the apple. Now it's time to put everything together. Add a little water and mix. That's it. I'm telling you, this is so energizing. If there is a drink that gives you wings, well, this one will teleport you in a flying saucer.